Umbutho we-DA nezihlalo ezili-154 kwibhunga lomasipala wesixeko saseKapa. Ku-2016 i-ANC yafumana izihlalo ezingama-57, i-EFF yafumana ezisixhenxe, i-ACDP ezintathu, ze-Al Jamaa ezimbini. Abahlalutyi bezopolitiko bayaqikelela ukubana kwesi sihlandlo i-DA iza kufumana isininzi sevoti.
Among the challenges that are facing Cape Town at the moment, or Cape Metro at the moment, include gangsterism, which is a burning issue. This is in addition to the normal issues that affect the entire country on sanitation and also the supply of water. But then the increased number of these parties means that those who would have formed a formidable force against the DA will be depleted, in the sense that these voters will be spread across these 50 political parties and the 50 independent candidates, which will then still give the DA a larger majority.
I do think, though, that Good is likely to give the DA a bit of a run for its money, because Brett Herron is somebody who has experience of Western Cape politics, so is Patricia de Lille, and I think that, Good bringing its already existing experience to the roles of being good officials is going to be something that I think voters might like and might want.
Uthi Freedom Front Plus kukhangeleka ngathi zinganyuka ivoti zayo kwisixeko saseKapa, kodwa kubonakala i-ANC iqhuba kakuhle kwaphela kulo masipala.
If you look at all the other metros where the ANC governs, there's really been a lot of strife, and there's been a lot of corruption, and there's been very little service delivery. And I think the mistake of the ANC showcasing unfinished roads, which were just gravel, as examples of the service delivery, stadiums which were incomplete and shoddy work as examples, really does not help the ANC in any municipality or any council.
Ngamaqela ngama-51 kunye nabagqatso abazimeleyo abangama-41 abakukhuphiswano levoti eKapa kolunyulo lorhulumente basekhaya.